Antonio. Welcome to my office, and check this out. This is the CW0335. We're going to show you this here, and we're going to figure out what this is here in just a second as we open it up. And it is going to be a happy birthday sign. So let's see how this thing looks. So it's got all the different letters, and it's got this, which is going to light up. Oh, wow, it's each individual one. So HPP, so you have to, it's a self-assembly apparently. So hopefully we have all the letters to do this. Let's give it a shot. Let's see how this thing goes with the little light here. I guess we're gonna have to string it onto the light to make this work. Let's see, how's this gonna work? Combination and waves. Oh, boy. Okay, so it is twisted up like this. So it's a very simple, tiny little wire. I guess we'll have to string it through the wire and then hang it up from there. Let's see how we do this. Okay, there it is at its length. Is it not? Nope. Okay. So I guess we would have to do like this. Poke it out. Go this way. H. Boy, this is like a nice little project if you have something you want to do. Let's see if we can get this through. So the H will be all the way at the first. Okay, there. I didn't even do it all the way through yet. Let's see, then the next one we'll do is A. And there we go. Happy. And then birthday. Woohoo! Got it all done. So it's very cool. Lights up and everything. So very cute. Thumbs up for me. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and links in the description so you can pick one of these up for yourself. Bye.